step into the Ram 2019 3500 Chassis Cab Tradesman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include bright white clear coat, ADD 4.10 axle ratio, chrome appearance group included, matte black grille with chrome accents, bright front bumper, chrome grille surround, front fog lamps, Sirius satellite radio included. For more info call 800-643-21121. Your Sirius XM radio service, diesel gray black HD vinyl 40/20/40 split bench seat, gross vehicle weight 12,000 lbs, quick order package to your tradesman included, engine 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel transmission, 6-speed auto ISO AS69 RCHD rear dome lamp, halogen quad headlamps, matte black grille, upper lower appliques, glove box map, courtesy lamp, dorsal scuff pads and 4.10 axle ratio, STD.